Welcome to Cancer 101, the fundamentals of cancer. Today I want to talk about the questions you ask in the comments section. First of all, I encourage you to ask any questions you might have, and I'd be happy to try to answer them for you. And no question is too dumb to ask. Believe me, there are a lot of interesting questions out there in cancer, and even a question that seems a little bit off can actually lead to a very good and informative discussion. A question that I used to get on a fairly regular basis, probably a rhetorical question, but it was the question, if we can land a man on the moon, then why can't we cure cancer? Now, at first glance, that sounds, like I say, like a rhetorical question, not meant to be answered. But in fact, there's an interesting answer to that that's informative, and I'll discuss that probably in my next video. Other questions we would get are things like, who's the patron saint of cancer? And that's Saint Peregrine. And along with the more normal questions, which would be, what are the side effects of fluorouracil, the chemotherapy? Or what are the best treatment options for stage 2 breast cancer? And those kinds of questions. Other things like, how do I find clinical trials? Or what are the prevention methods for certain types of cancer? Or what is the best screening available for prostate cancer, breast cancer, and so on? And what are the controversies about those screenings? So I just want to remind you in this short video that I'm very happy to answer your questions as best I can. So please put them in the comments section. That's the easiest way to get your question to me. And this is what I used to do at the National Cancer Institute's Cancer Information Service, which is the information program of the National Cancer Institute. And that's what cancer information specialists do. They answer questions from patients and family members of patients all day long, just about any question you can possibly think of. So I encourage you to go ahead and ask your questions in the comments section. One thing I won't be doing is dumbing down the information that I'm giving to you. It'll at times be a bit technical, but I'll explain technical terms and hopefully make it clear to you in layman's terms, and also teaching you the medical terms so that you can understand the explanation without it being dumbed down to the point of not being helpful at all. So in that sense, the average patient and family member who is helping the patient should be able to understand any of these medical issues that you're facing as you go through your cancer experience. And, you know, I like to discuss these topics or these questions as if you and I are sitting down face to face and just chatting about what's going on in your life and what questions you have about the medical aspects of cancer and how it affects you. And so hopefully it's going to be informal and at the same time a deep and informative discussion of your situation. So please subscribe to this channel if you like the information or like this video. And also, please leave your questions in the comments section, and then as they come up, I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching.